Have you ever wondered what skill you should teach your dog? Here are the videos of which I think is the most important skill that your dog should learn.
Aw, hello. Hello. Aw, Bog, new friend. Hi.
Early puppy socialization, but it's best if the other dog is trained. Look, come. Good. Look at me. Good girl. 너무 잘했어. Playtime? Okay, playtime. Let's play frisbee, okay? Let's play frisbee. Hey, okay. It's your favorite today.
Okay, if brother doesn't take you outside, what do you do? Okay, and then what do you do? Is that what you want to do? Okay. Do you want to take a bath? 목욕할까? Okay. Do you want this? Okay. Now, Bog, do you want a 목욕해? Do you want a bath? Do you want a bath? No? Do you want it? Yes? Okay, there you go. Sit. Bog, do you want a shower? No, okay. No, come back. Good, you wait there. Wait there. Let's go. Good girl. Come on, let's keep going down. Okay, let's cross. Good girl. Wait. Wait, you know what wait means, right? You know what wait means? Look at sister. Go get it.
Sure. Let's go. Wait, hold on first. Hold on. Wait. Here it shows that your dog is always learning from you. And I'm going to show you a good example. Here I am currently teasing Poke. At the shop, she plays with children for early socialization. But I didn't realize she would play just like me. She started to tease the little children as well. I hope this video helped some of you, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.